Welcome to this tutorial on why choose Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website traffic and behavior. Universal Analytics is the latest version of Google Analytics and it offers several advantages over the classic version. Firstly, Universal Analytics provides cross-device tracking, which allows you to track users across multiple devices and platforms. This means you can see how users interact with your website on different devices such as desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Secondly, Universal Analytics offers more accurate data collection and processing. It uses a new data model that allows for more flexibility and customization in tracking and analyzing data. This means you can collect and analyze data that is specific to your business needs. Thirdly, Universal Analytics provides enhanced user tracking and analysis. It allows you to track users based on their behavior and characteristics such as demographics and interests. This means you can create targeted marketing campaigns and improve user engagement. To set up Universal Analytics, you will need to create a new property in your Google Analytics account and get the tracking code. You can then install the tracking code on your website and start collecting data. It is also important to note that Universal Analytics has a different data retention policy than the classic version. In Universal Analytics, you can choose how long you want to retain user-level and event-level data. Best practices for setting up Universal Analytics include setting up goals and events to track conversions and interactions on your website. You should also set up filters to exclude internal traffic and ensure data accuracy. In conclusion, choosing Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup provides several benefits, including cross-device tracking, accurate data collection, and enhanced user tracking and analysis. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and best practices, you can set up Universal Analytics and start gaining valuable insights into your website traffic and behavior.